Madami daw
Madami daw.
kasing pasabog. Wow.
Oh, you know what? We could tell them about December.
Ah, yes! Sa December nga pala, guys. Sabi ko kasi hindi pa ako sure.
Okay.
Kasi si Mr. B yung nag-inquire sa akin if available ako ng December 19. Oh, ikaw na magkwento.
So December 19, we wanted to do a Christmas party for all the KKK supporters. So, medyo malayo, but
May bus.
may bus naman papunta doon and then may shuttle. But we were thinking that it's a good idea to do it at J Castles. So Sir James is gonna give us the whole platform in front of the castle, and it's pretty big, so there's gonna be a stage there. May
Yes.
stage, may band. It's gonna be like a Christmas party, Thanksgiving for all the KKK fans. We're gonna be able to give away 500 tickets.
Yay!
500 tickets.
Tapos hindi pala, no? Babayaran mo yung 500 tickets.
500 tickets. We're gonna get to give away. After that, kailangan magbayad na. But we were thinking that that's gonna be the best place to do it, since one, it's Katie's favorite place. Two,
Nandun din kami.
andun din kami.
So, parang inisip namin, kung bibigyan kami ng parang, yun nga, bibigyan kami ng time dun sa J Castle na kami yung gagawa ng event, di gagawin namin syempre KKK. Diba, guys?
Yes.
So, yung mga pwede, sumama, diba?
This message is held for review. What's this?
Wala yan. Baka mga ano yan, kasi di ba may mga keywords ako na bawal.
So, ano, game? Game?
So, meron daw, ayoko magsabi na may 500 daw Siya yung nagsabi.
Merong 500 tickets.
Ano gagawin natin nun? Maggi-games tayo.
Games tayo. We'll find a way. We'll find a way to give it away. Yeah. So yun. I think that's gonna be fun. And may fireworks.
May fireworks, tapos pwede kayong mag-enjoy ng rides, tapos may program tayo.
We're gonna have a program. There's gonna be rides. The kids can play. Excuse me. You guys can watch Katie in action at J Castles. Parang siya yung may-ari doon pag nandun siya.
Actually, kahit po kanta-kanta lang, okay naman kami. And chismisan.
Chismisan?
Lagay na sa calendar. Yes, December 19, guys. So, si Mr. B yung kukuha ng band. Kami din kukuha ng host. So, tayo yung gagawa ng program.
It's gonna be our event.
Yes.
At sobrang daming tao kasya dun. As in, sobrang dami. And we're gonna have good pictures because it's gonna be right in front of that castle. Ang laki ng castle na yun. Did you guys know that the J Castle's castle is bigger than, it's slightly bigger than the Hong Kong Disney Castle? It's a little bigger. So yun. We'll have pictures by the castle during the fireworks.